Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Okay, so today's question comes from Mike from Texas. And Mike asks, is it better to lease or buy a storefront and the equipment? Okay, it's a good question. Needs to be considered very carefully, for sure. Okay, leasing doesn't tie up cash. Okay, but a disadvantage is that there's no value around that when you look at leasing. Okay, so it's a pro and a con. Okay, because you don't own it. Okay, careful weighing of alternative and cost analysis is what's going to help you really make the best decision on whether you want to buy or rent equipment or lease buildings, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of variables, and sometimes those variables can even matter from state to state when it comes to how you're taxed, right? What licenses you need. A lot of different questions have to be answered for that, from depending on what your certain state is. And you can always go to your state courthouse and probably get some of that information, or your local SBA, or if you're part of your local Chamber of Commerce, they can probably answer some of those questions for you when it comes to your, even sometimes city ordinances that may influence your business when it comes to lease versus, actual buy. So that's a very open-ended answer, I know, but it's hard to answer some of these questions sometimes because it really is driven. Some of these answers would be driven by further investigation on your state, how your state operates, and then also how even right down to your city ordinance and county ordinance operates, and especially for tax purposes. Okay. So thank you, Mike, for the question. I hope that was helpful, at least get you pushed in the right direction there. And as always, smash that like button and just do the research, Mike. Again, I know that was a kind of an open-ended answer there, and I apologize for that, but do the research within your state and local government, and you'll get the right information that you need. All right. As always, reach out to me at strategicadvisorboard.com and go dream it, believe it, can damn sure achieve it. And as always, we will see you on the next episode of The Daily Dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear